Here I am with more example of multiplication of rational number. So first we will simplify this equation. 3 by x minus 2 multiply by x square minus 4 by 15x minus 30. So first step is factorize these polynomials. Step 1, factorization. So first we will do factorization of everything, all numbers and polynomial. Here we can see this x square minus 4. We can write this x square minus 2 square. We can write this 4 as 2 square. And here 15. We can write 15 as 3 into 5. 3 into 5 into x. Here is x minus 30. We can write 30 as 3 into 5 into 2. So we will write here 3 into 5 into 2. Now come up to next step. 3x minus 2 into, we can write this x square minus 2 square as x minus 2 and x plus 2. From the formula, a square minus b square is equal to a minus b, a plus b, by, we can see here 3 into 5 and 3 into 5 is common. So we will put this out, 3 into 5, and we can write x minus 2 and bracket closed. Now the second step is cancel. Step 2, cancel the common product. Cancel common. Here we can see x minus 2 and x minus 2 is common. Cancel this, 3. So remaining is x plus 2 by this 5x minus 2. This is our solution. We can write this also x plus 2, 5x minus 10. We multiplied this 5 into 5x and 5 into 2, 10. So here is the answer. X cannot be equal to plus minus 2. Otherwise, this will be 0 and it will not fulfill the definition of a rational expression. So come up to next example. Our next example is simple, only for understanding. 3x minus 9 x square minus 9. We will simplify this. First step, factorization. So we will write this as 3x minus 3 into 3, 9, 3 into 3 by x square minus 3 square, 9 as a 3 square. Okay, now here 3 is common, so we will put out and we can write x minus 3. Here is x and 3, x minus 3. And This x square minus 3 square we can write again from the formula a square minus b square is equal to a minus b, a plus b. So here x minus 3 and x plus 3. Now the step 2, cancel. Cancel the common. Now 3 by x plus 3. X cannot equal to minus 3, otherwise this will go 0 and this will not fulfill the definition that p rational expression should be in the form of p by q, and q cannot be equal to 0. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, press the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a nice day.